We are going to Dubai. Habibi. I'm going to my supervisor. I have to remove my nose piercing.
You keep me tucked out in the latest, taking me to new places. Got me calling my friends like, damn, he's the greatest. Say love's overrated, somebody lied and played it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akusia Free. You can also call me Miss Che. Yes. So if you are new here, please stay. Here is fun. I promise. Okay. And if you're an old subscriber, baby, honey boo, you know that you mean a lot to me because your loyalty is unmatched. You are here to stick and stay with me as we progress, you know what I mean. So if you've watched my other video, sorry, I'm getting right into the video because we don't have time, okay. So if you've watched my previous video, we are going to Dubai. Habibi. We are going to Dubai and we are prepping for this trip. Alongside, we are prepping for our graduation as well. So it hasn't been easy, but then we are still doing something, you know. Yeah, we are still making progress. So today on my to-do list, I'm going to get my hair done, my nails done, and my toenails as well. So I'm quite skeptical about this because usually I would want to do all these things in Accra, but then I have this thing going on with my school. I'm done with school, all right, but then I still have my project work pending and I'm going back and forth. And you know these women, you know these old people. When I'm going to my supervisor, I have to remove my nose piercing because she is old and she's a nurse, and the noble profession, you know, you can't do certain things when you're a nurse, like getting a tattoo, piercing, like some things. So I want to get my lashes done and I want to fix long nails and I want to do my hair some wavy. So I'm a PI as well, like principal investigator. So like I can't be going to my supervisor looking some way because if she gets problem with me, I am. So yeah, I think we will be submitting the final work today. Hopefully we'll be submitting the final work today. So after that, I'll quickly rush to the salon to get all these things done because next week by Monday or Tuesday I need to be in Accra for my final preparations for the trip. So enough of the talking, let's get right into it. Stay tuned and watch how I prepare for this trip with my packing, and as I said earlier, the hairdo and the nails and everything. And yeah, certain basic things that we need to know for first time travelers, things that we need to get, the documents, the stuff that you need to get ready for the trip. Okay, yes, as I said in my other video, this is a 1 week trip, so you can watch that video as well. So enough of the talking already, let's get into it. Let's get started. Let's do some activities today. Okay, let's go and get our hair done. Okay, come along and let's go.
So I decided to do a versatile sewing for this trip and I used these bundles, and the funny thing is I had to destroy one of my favorite wigs for this because everything was last minute and I didn't get the opportunity to buy new hair bundles. So yeah.
Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako nobody know tomorrow. Choro, kachoro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No, go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Are set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad fight. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. 'Cause you can never kill my vibe. No sacrifices, everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes online. I'm taking dynamite. I play your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad beats bad every day. I know the look of your face. Bad man bad every day.
So when it came to my nails, I kind of knew what I wanted, so I showed her what I wanted, and she assured me that she could do it. So I trusted her, but then it didn't come out really great. It didn't come out well.
I go just para, come on my jigger. I go just dig, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes online. I'm fucking dynamite. I blow your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe.
Reactions from my friends when I posted the outcome of my nails on my status on WhatsApp.
Oh my God.
One eternity later.
My vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe.
Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that if I know.
So let me quickly give you guys this information. When it comes to luggages, you need to check your tickets to see how many luggages you are allowed to check in, plus your personal item bag and your carry-on bag. So with this ticket, I was allowed only 2 luggages, like the baggage, and each was supposed to weigh 23 kg, not more than 23 kg. Yes.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling big deal. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now about what hear your silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come my name, calm down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
The next morning.
So this was a great learning experience for me. I had no idea that kente were made in strips. Okay, I had no clue. So when I had someone weave this kente for me and it came out in strips, I was so confused. Then I had to join them together for it to be a complete cloth. So here I was getting ready to go to Accra because everything that needed to be taken care of was taken care of. So I was so excited that I was finally done with everything pertaining school. Whew, it was very stressful. So this is me on my way to Accra, and here is Akosombo. Yes, this is the Adome Bridge, and that is the dam. Just look at how pretty the sky was looking. I just couldn't keep my eyes off the sky. I was just so excited about the whole thing. Like, it's as if the universe was just in alignment with everything that's supposed to happen. Like, I was just feeling excited. So I was in Accra. I alighted late, but I was excited. So yeah. You got to love Ghanaians. You see, it was November, but then you could still feel the Christmas season. Like, everywhere was so bright. So the next day, I went to do my rounds to fix my lashes and to get my nails done again. So here's a friend's shop located at La Paz. She goes by the name Lashit on IG. Please check her out and go get your eyelash extensions from her. She's really good, trust me. She has the experience, she's patient, she's really good at what she does. Up next, it was time for my nail appointment at East Legon, and I checked the Bolton Yango fare for that trip, and it was crazy. So I took a trotro and it alighted me at ShopRite. Upon arrival, this is what I saw, and I was like, wow, nailed by Silla really pays attention to details, and her space is really clean and nice. She offered me drink with cookies, and I was just so happy. Overall, the service was a 9 out of 10. One being how late I got out of there. I spent almost 9 hours there because she doesn't do booking or appointment. She accepts walking, so a lot of people were there when I got there. But in all, I loved my nails, I loved her service, so I couldn't complain much. She's on IG as Nailed by Silla. You can check her out too. This was the final look for my nails, and I loved it. It was my first time trying out really long nails, and for the first time, yeah, I was so in love with it.
So I would see you in my next video, hopefully.
You keep me tucked out in the latest, taking me to new places. Got me calling my friends like, damn, he's the greatest.